You've been to the restaurant and you've seen that yellow sign, caution, wet floor. You've been to the mall and you've seen that yellow sign, caution, slippery floor. Falls are one of the leading causes of injury in the United States. And here in Florida, there have been over 75,000 unintentional falls that have landed people in hospitals. Hi, I'm Moshe Rubinstein from Rubinstein. And in today's video, I'd like to talk to you about a slip and fall accident, what it means, what you should do, and how we can help you. As I just mentioned, here in Florida, reported in 2021, there were over 75,000 hospital visitations for slip and falls. And specifically in Miami Dade County, there was over 7,200 hospitalizations for slip and falls. This is no laughing matter. It's not that someone just leaves their house, falls on a banana, becomes a meme. A person can fall down a flight of stairs, hurt their knees, require surgery, not be able to go to work, or God forbid, have a lifetime handicap. A slip and fall injury is a serious matter that requires absolutely serious attention. Falls can occur for any number of reasons and can cause serious injury. People fall at the stadium, they fall at the casino, they fall while shopping at Publix. Maybe they fall when picking up their child from school or at the library, or even in the hospital. There was a case settled in Florida recently where an inmate fell. He fell while in custody. And guess what? He settled with the county. The county had to pay him $50,000 for injuries that he suffered while in their control. In every slip and fall accident, there are going to be 4 elements that we need to prove in order to get you compensated. Those are duty, breach, causation, and damages. Allow me to explain each one briefly. Say someone is in a supermarket and they fall. Did the supermarket have a duty to keep the floors clean? We're all going to agree, yes. Every public place has a duty to make sure that you are able to move about safely and securely. Now that we know that the supermarket has a duty, did they breach their duty? Well, let's say another shopper spilled oil on the floor. We're all going to agree that the supermarket has a responsibility to clean up that mess. Did they clean it up? Let's assume for this fact pattern that they did not clean it up. Now we get to the third element, causation. Did the oil spill cause the person to fall? We'll look at the video cameras. We'll interview other people that were nearby. We'll look at all the factors. And let's say that we can say that the oil did cause this person to fall, which brings us to our fourth element, damages. What was the result of the fall? Let's say a broken arm, a broken wrist, perhaps a sprain. Duty, breach, causation, and damages. We take all of that together and we make a claim against the place in which you fell. Back to the real life example that I brought up earlier. In 2015, inmate Haynes, who now is 49, slipped and fell on a recently mopped floor in a Sarasota County jail. That fall caused him to have serious injuries. The case was settled because the county saw that there was a duty, they breached that duty, but for him slipping on the floor, he would not have had his injuries, and that he was in fact injured. What struck me as interesting regarding this inmate's case is that there are those that would say, he's an inmate, he doesn't have rights. So what? He fell. I don't agree at all. Every single one of us has a right to get to wherever we're going safely. Here at Rubinstein, we take your rights seriously. We take your injuries seriously. We do not want you to feel that simply because of circumstances that were outside of your control that led to your injury, that you don't have a place to go and seek out damages. You do, just like this inmate. Simply because he was denied his freedom does not mean that he's denied the right to get from point A to point B safely. And you know what? The commission agreed. They settled the case in a private settlement because they saw that the county jail did not meet their duty to provide him safe passage. If you slip and fall because of a hazard in the premises that you were in, you likely have a case claim that needs to be explored so that you can seek out compensation for your damages. You need an attorney that understands the law, that knows how to look at your slip and fall from every single angle to collect information, evidence, testimony, witnesses. My team, we have gone out to the places where people have fallen. We've collected video and pictures. We've done data analysis on the floor of a gas station to determine whether or not somebody slipped and fell on oil or on another substance that was there. Don't think that simply because you fell, you don't have a claim. The law allows you to hold the property owner liable for your pain and suffering, for your medical bills, for your damages. There are many factors that go into an injury, and especially with a slip and fall in which your gut might tell you, I tripped, it was my shoelace, it was my shoes, I was careless. Don't assume that. You need an attorney that has handled your kind of fall before, and that attorney is me. My team is standing by, ready to assist you with your needs. Call us today so that you can get the compensation that you deserve. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Visit our website to learn more about what we do and who we represent. And if you have an immediate concern, please pick up the phone and call us. Rubinstein, where you matter, results matter.